Is discovering the unmanifest a function of exact focusing or peripheral focus? It says, please don't say both. Well, I was going to say both. Oh, well. No. Seeing the unmanifest, seeing that which is non-form and form, it is far more advanced. You start out by realizing that that which you are is the context out of which all of life and all of its expressions, both subjective and supposedly objective, is arising. That you are the field out of which that is all arising. It starts out as the visual field, that all that's happening within this room is happening within an infinite space of silence and non-form, out of which arises sound and all those things. Is there such a thing as individual identity? There is, as far as imagination goes, as far as the ego goes, that which is karmically inheritable from one thing to the next is the degree to which one holds one's identity of self with the ego. It's an illusion. It's transitory. It lasts, of course, for hundreds of millions or thousands of years. So it'll do till it wears out. But the thought that I am this or I am that within form then creates a karmic consequence. Creates a karmic consequence. The thought that I am an individual separate from God, that I am that which is born and dies, that I am that which calls itself me, this physicality and its history, yes, that'll have karmic consequences. That's what the Buddha meant when the Buddha said, if you don't want to keep reincarnating, then you've got to become enlightened and transcend and realize that you are that out of which that formulation arises. You are not the formulation. You're that out of which the formulation arises. You're not the thought. You're that out of which the thought arises. You're not the emotion. You're the source out of which that emotion arises. To realize that you are a priori to mind. So in meditation then, one witnesses the procession, and by one-pointedness of mind, one all of a sudden in one instant gets that I am that out of which thought arises. You realize that mind, as in speaking generically, is that which is present just prior to thought. The field here. You don't know thought until you hear it from me. What was there right prior to my saying that? You understand? There is a readiness, a presence, the capacity for awareness, the capacity of hearing this, the capacity for comprehension this is already here. It's already in existence before I just said that. Got it? Right before I said it, you're what you are before I say anything. How do I know what it's going to do? It just jumps across the stage and does anything it wants to. It does anything it wants to. Thank goodness it obeys the law or it would get arrested. Thank goodness it's been trained to at least have a radar unit in the car. Ah, yes. That radar unit tells you what's coming up ahead of time. Huh? A little anticipatory preparation. And that's what the mind is doing, you see? Like a little radar unit. It isn't there on your screen yet, so you're the screen that has the capacity to register the thought, as it's said. It's very simple to realize that you're the unmanifest out of which the manifest arises, right? Everybody here knows that already, correct? Isn't that so? Oh, thank you, God, jeez. The Buddha told me.